The Shark AI Robot XL can create a detailed, complete map on its very first run. So in no time, you'll get a map of your home that shows up on your Shark Clean app homepage. This is how you can control cleaning schedules, select specific rooms to clean or avoid, and you can even tell your Shark AI robot about a really difficult mess and send it to ultra clean that area. The faster the mapping is complete, the faster your setup is finished, and the faster you're ready to clean.
Once you've received your Shark robot, your first step is to download the Shark Clean app to your phone. You can do this easily from the Apple App Store or from the Google Play Store. As soon as the Shark Clean app is downloaded, you're ready to create your personal account. You'll be sent a verification email you simply reply to, and you're ready to go. Now, open the Shark Clean app. It will walk you through the setup process. Some things you can do during setup include: verify the exact Shark robot you purchased, select the best placement for your robot's dock, ensure your robot is powered up properly, and connect to your home's Wi-Fi. Next, you're ready to connect your Shark robot to the app on your phone. Simply press and hold both the clean and dock buttons at the same time. Press join on your phone, then tell the Shark robot which Wi-Fi to join. This should be the same Wi-Fi you connected your app to. And that's it. Now you can complete the Explore run, set cleaning schedules, and control your Shark robot right from your phone. If you need extra support with any of the features or the product, please check out the support section in the Shark Clean app. And if you're looking for more cleaning tips, please visit us at sharkclean.com.